Welcome to dptutorials. In this video, let us learn about the histogram chart. The purpose of histogram chart is a histogram is a graphical representation that organizes a group of data points into user-specified ranges. Let's understand this with an example. We have the salary details of some 16 employees, and if you want to see the distribution by some slab wise, we have to create the histogram. Let's create now. 7 to C23, go to Insert. In the Statistics chart, select the histogram. Now, this has generated the histogram in 3 bins automatically. Right-click and add the data labels. If you want to define the slabs or the distribution as per your wish, click on X-axis and click on Format axis. Here in the bin section, you can select bin width if you want to have the uniform bands, say 25,000. So every 25,000 there will be a new slab. Next, you can define the number of bins, say 5, so it automatically arranges the slabs. You have to select the overflow bin if you want to stand out the count of employees who exceed the upper limit, say 1 lakh. Then you can see that there are 11 employees with salary greater than 1 lakh. Similarly, in the underflow bin, if you mention as 50,000, you can see that there are 3 employees with salary less than 50,000. Understood? Apply the formatting styles as per your wish to make it more appealing like this. So this would be the final output of the histogram chart, and here are some of the samples of good histogram charts. Histograms are a fantastic way to visualize the distribution of your data and understand frequency patterns. By following these simple steps, you can create and customize your own histogram charts to enhance your productivity and data analysis. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. And if you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover in future videos, let us know in the comments below. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.